This is Summer Culinary. Summer Culinary students spend their days in a pro kitchen learning from real chefs and using all their newly acquired knowledge to create a wide variety of recipes. We have two locations, Campus NYC in New York City and Campus LA in Los Angeles, two of the biggest foodie capitals in the world. We combine the unique food culture of each city with a pro kitchen, pro chefs, and our own brand of cooking class. Our classes are for 12 to 17-year-olds of all levels who are serious about cooking and want to expand their knowledge. And the curriculum is designed to challenge every level of student. They practice knife skills, reading and creating recipes, and at the end, compete in a TV-style competition. Our favorite part of the program, other than the food, is the community that's formed. Our residential students spend their evenings touring the city with staff, sampling the local fare, and seeing the popular sites. This is a one-of-a-kind opportunity that has the potential to change your student's life, and it's a summer they surely won't forget. So join us and see what everyone's talking about.